How are you today? Did you have a good day? That sounds awesome. Well, I'm glad you're sitting down and reading a book with us. Today we have Sergio Ruzier's Fox and Chick, The Quiet Boat Ride and Other Stories. Well, Fox and Chick are best friends. Do you have a best friend? Well, these two go on adventures together. And they don't always agree on everything. But that's okay, because best friends always love each other anyway. And you know what? You always enjoy a chocolate cake together. Let's have a look at The Quiet Boat Ride. Looks like there are 3 stories in here. The Quiet Boat Ride, Chocolate Cake, our favorite, and The Sunrise. The Quiet Boat Ride. What are you doing, Fox? I'm going for a quiet boat ride. Can I come too? I guess it doesn't have to be quiet. Can I be the captain? We don't need a Captain Chick. Captain Chick, that sounds good. What does a captain do, Fox? A captain sits still and quiet. I'm not the captain anymore then. Are these sea monsters down there? I'm not fond of sea monsters. Don't worry, Chick. This is a pond, not a sea. Are there pirates in this pond? I don't trust pirates. Don't worry, Chick. There is nothing to plunder on this boat. What if we get shipwrecked? I would hate to get shipwrecked. Don't worry, Chick. We could swim to shore. I don't know, Fox. This was supposed to be a quiet boat ride. A quiet boat ride was my plan. Are you kidding me? Sea monsters? Pirates? Shipwrecks? Wait, is it? Yes! Land! Thank heavens. These quiet boat rides can be stressful. Smooch. Crazy Chick. Chocolate cake. Is chocolate cake your favorite? Well, it's a favorite in our house. Oh no. I knew this would happen. Chick, why are you so sad? I received this box. Why don't you open it? I'm worried. It might be a chocolate cake. That's what I'm worried about. I thought you liked chocolate cake. I like chocolate cake more than life itself. So why don't you open the box? Because every time I eat a whole chocolate cake, I get very sick. You don't have to eat it all. I don't. You could share it. I could. Open the box, Chick. I don't know. What if there is no chocolate cake? Chick, there is a chocolate cake inside that box. How do you know? Because I brought you that box. Good cake. I think I could have eaten the whole thing by myself. I'm glad you didn't. See, things are always better when you share them, right? Especially chocolate cake. The sunrise. Which one do you like better? Sunrises or sunsets? I like sunsets because I'm not a morning person. Sorry. Ring. Looks like Fox is off to somewhere. Where are you going, Fox? To watch the sunrise from a hilltop. But it's so early. That's when the sun rises, Chick. May I come with you? Okay, but hurry. I don't want to miss it. No problem. I'll be right down. What should I wear, Fox? Chick, please hurry. Should I take an umbrella? It's not raining, and if it was, we wouldn't see any sunrise. Should I bring a salami? We'll eat later, Chick. Hurry. We're going to miss the sunrise. Should I take my hammer? What do you need your hammer for? I can't find my hammer. Chick, let's go. It was such a nice hammer. Where's the sunrise, Fox? Oops, I think they missed it. Chick, we missed the sunrise. Oh, too bad. What do we do now, Fox? I have an idea, Chick. I like sunsets, Fox. Me too, Chick. I like them even better than sunrises. Have you ever seen a sunrise? This morning I almost did. Fox, I'm ready for another chocolate cake. See? Best friends always love each other no matter what. How much do you love your best friend? And what kind of things do you do together? Eat chocolate cake. I feel like a chocolate cake now. Hope you enjoyed the quiet boat ride. Don't forget to come back and join us again for more stories like this. Leave us a comment, give us a like, and subscribe. We'll see you back here soon. Take care.